And well, after centre banned Chinese apps, including TikTok, across the country, the United States of America has designated Chinese telecom companies Huawei and ZTE as national threats. Now, the FCC chairman Ajit Pai has issued a statement and said, and I quote, "We cannot and will not allow the Chinese Communist Party to exploit network vulnerabilities and compromise our critical communication infrastructure." Unquote. That is United States declaring Huawei as a threat. Remember, important developments taking place, and now several other countries also mulling over the same. The United States started with this entire battle against this telecom giant 2 years back, and now several other nations also over a period of time that you've seen who are not allowing these telecom giants to build their 5G networks. For example, you have the likes of Australia and New Zealand who will not allow Huawei to build their 5G networks. Japan too has imposed a ban. United Kingdom has also limited its participation in 5G rollouts. So all eyes on what India will do next, or if at all India will also take a decision on similar lines. But after 59 apps, Chinese apps that have been banned by the government of India, all eyes now on whether India will also follow these steps of United States in banning these Chinese telecom giants, because now United States has cited national security threat as the main reason for banning these apps. We will pick out more details and information on the same, but for the moment, we move on.